I'm gonna change the key. I don't know if you can rekey it or change the thing. Or...
You have the key right now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cheaper to just rekey it.
Okay.
Let's go to our rekey kit. Old key in. Now twist it. That's the new one. Let's put this one instead of that one. Beautiful. This is the pin side. Nice. Old key. Now my goal is with the new key to get here flush. Let's see that if we have some matches. Maybe this one as a match would be nice. Right beside this one of them could go. Well, this one went easy. 4, 5, 1, 6, 4. 225. Starting with 225, ending with 225. Starts and easy. New key in. Works beautiful. Old key does not twist. New key twist. Well, obviously to the other direction.